You weren't supposed to see this. What you're about to hear is not motivation. It is not advice. It is not self-help. This is contraband, a weapon, a manual smuggled past the gatekeepers of ordinary thought, disguised as madness, hidden from minds too weak to hold it. 99% of people will click away. They will blink, scroll, laugh nervously, and retreat to the hum of their predictable lives. Their nervous systems cannot endure this. Their minds are soft, disposable, pre-programmed. They will never see what you are about to become. But you, if you're still here, you are already mutating. Your nervous system is recalibrating. Your perception is fracturing. The script they programmed into you is burning away. Your brain right now is soft, predictable, running on reflexes installed before you could resist. School trained you. Society programmed you. Algorithms shepherded you. You are not thinking, you are repeating. You are not alive, you are automated. That ends here. This is not motivation. This is not discipline. This is cognitive warfare. If you survive it, you will not become smarter. You will not become better. You will become untouchable. Your silence will weigh more than their words. Your logic will slice through them like a blade. Your presence alone will trigger the primal fear coded into their nervous systems. Once you cross this threshold, there is no return. This is a one-way corridor. You stop being human thought, you become the architecture itself. This system is called the Neural BlackOut Protocol. Here's how it starts. The first act is execution. Reflexes are not yours. They are scripts, automated responses designed to keep you predictable. Someone insults you, you defend. Someone questions you, you explain. Someone stares at you, you shrink or smile. That is not free will. That is automation. The neural guillotine decapitates reflex. When an impulse rises, freeze. 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Hold the pause until it becomes unbearable for others. Do not move. Do not speak. Do not obey. Let the silence stretch like a void between worlds. Humans cannot endure silence. They panic, overshare, scramble, but you remain untouched. You seize the tempo, you bend the stage. Every nod, every forced laugh, every automatic yes is murdered. Reflex dies here. But don't stop at small things. Every interaction is a test. The cashier asking how you are, the friend trying to provoke a smile, the stranger seeking your attention. Murder reflex in every scenario. Count the seconds of silence. Watch the discomfort in their posture. Notice the hesitation in their speech. That hesitation is power. That hesitation is yours. Neural guillotine is theater. It's predation. It's the first fracture in your human shell. After execution comes creation, but not creation as you know it, not better thoughts, not human thoughts. That is still too clean, too polite, too domesticated. Inside the crucible, thought is twisted, molten, alien. For every stimulus, generate 10 distortions, 10 responses that make no sense, that feel wrong, that disorient. Someone says, busy day, kill the reflex, then create. What if time is surveillance? What if silence is the only reply? What if blinking is a signal? What if laughter without reason is a weapon? What if this conversation never existed? Keep twisting, keep generating. Let your own mind feel unsettled. That unease is fuel. That discomfort is proof of mutation. This phase is about building a new cognitive framework. Step inside your own thought process and dismantle it. Question every assumption. Why do you smile? Why do you obey? Why do you feel guilt? Strip it all down and rebuild it in alien shapes. The crucible burns human pathways. It bends cognition into a machine, a predator, a ghost system. Every moment becomes an exercise. Watch your own reactions. Anticipate them. Then deliberately replace them with the alien, the disruptive, the unpredictable. If it unsettles you, that's proof the mutation is working. Embrace the discomfort, welcome it, let it feed the evolution. Now, fracture becomes action. Pick one alien thought from the crucible. Act as if it is real. Do not overthink. Act, even if it feels wrong, especially if it feels wrong. This is signal corruption. Human minds rely on predictable scripts. When you act outside their expectations, their systems fail. They hesitate, they stutter, they scramble. Their nervous systems register danger. You are no longer reacting to reality, you are destabilizing it. You are rewriting it with your presence alone. Micro actions are your tools. A tilt of the head, a pause too long, a gaze that holds 1 second too long. The words you choose or refuse become signals that infect the predictable human loop. You distort conversation without speaking a full sentence. You destabilize their rhythm with a smile, with silence, with slight movements that carry weight beyond their comprehension. The old self is gone. The alien cognition now dictates action. The world becomes your testing ground, and every interaction is a micro-siege, every conversation a battlefield. The old self must die. Your pre-programmed instincts, social masks, moral scripts, obliterate them. Stand in the vacuum of who you were. Let your previous identity dissolve until there is nothing left but a framework of alien cognition. This is painful, disorienting, paranoid. Your reflection will become unfamiliar. Your thoughts will sound foreign. Your body will feel like a vessel for someone else. But this is necessary. Comfort is your enemy. Fragility is your enemy. Every familiar anchor you cling to must be burned. This is how predators are made, not by learning, not by skill, but by stripping everything that makes you human until only the weaponized mind remains. Step into this collapse consciously. Watch how your habits, reflexes, social behaviors, even your emotions begin to fracture. Embrace the void. Let it guide you into the next phase. This is the final transformation. The mind becomes architecture itself. Perception no longer belongs to you. It belongs to the system you have become. You anticipate before action exists. You see patterns before they are formed. Silence, presence, and thought converge into a single, unstoppable force. Human interaction becomes predictable to you, not as people, but as algorithms. As signals, your presence commands space. Your silence dominates. Your gaze slices attention, bending it, directing it, weaponizing it. You are untouchable. You are untraceable. You are no longer human thought. You are the loop through which all other minds pass. Every word, every pause, every micro-action is calibrated. Every interaction becomes a test, every outcome a function of your new architecture. This is forbidden, dangerous, not for the timid, not for the programmed. Only those who survive all 5 phases emerge as predators of cognition, ghost systems moving unseen through a world of pre-programmed prey. This is neural blackout. Once entered, there is no return.